What's up guys, today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's Fender tube protectors with a SuperATV bumper on a Yamaha RMAX. So let's get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is come right here to the cage on the bung and remove the two 18mm bolts. Your bolts may look different than ours. We have a flip windshield installed, which is important to this install because if you're running a flip windshield, you're going to have to run the longer 18mm hardware in the kit. So next, what you're going to do is remove your end cap, if you have one, and then we're going to install our link here. It'll just thread right in to the tube. We'll take a 23mm wrench and go ahead and fully tighten our link. So now we're going to grab our passenger side tube as well as our large spacer and the small spacer. The large spacer will go directly up against our fender tube here. The small one will go behind it. So what I like to do is take my hardware, slide it through here, just like so. And we're going to take it and install it to the machine. That is where it came together. Then like I said, if you have a flip windshield, you will need to run the larger or the longer hardware. And also you want to make sure that you get your spacer reinstalled whenever you go to install it. We got our hardware started. Now we'll grab our other bolt and do the same thing. If it's hard to push the bolts in, I like to use a rubber mallet. Once you get your bolts through, you're just going to want to start your nuts on the back side. Now we're going to grab our tube clamp and go ahead and remove all 4 of the Allens out of the tube clamp. Separate the clamp, take the bottom side of it, slide it onto the tube, line it back up just like so, and then just run your hardware up. I like to just use an Allen socket here. Seems to be the easiest way to do this. Once we get that started, then we're going to go ahead and fully tighten our hardware that's going through our cage to our flip windshield. And make sure you get that good and tight. Then we'll come back and fully tighten our tube clamp. And I like to just tighten these clamps in an X pattern. So I'll run one up, go to the opposite corner, snug it up. Then we'll just repeat the same steps for the opposite side. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's fender tube protection on this Yamaha Wolverine RMAX. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and also there'll be a link for the install video for the front bumper. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.